Does rent control stop new investment in rental properties? Imagine a city where building new rental homes feels like trying to grow a garden in a drought. That's what rent control policies can sometimes do to new rental property investment. When rent increases are limited, landlords and developers see less reason to put money into building or buying rental housing. This often means fewer new rental units appear in areas with strict rent control laws. One key reason is that rent control caps how much landlords can charge for rent. This limits how much income they can make from their properties. When the potential earnings are low, the overall value of rental buildings drops. Investors see this and think, why risk my money here? They prefer markets where they can earn higher returns. Developers also respond to rent control by slowing down or canceling new projects. Building new rental homes costs a lot, covering land, materials, labor, and permits. If they can't raise rents enough to cover these costs, they might lose money. For example, if construction costs go up but rent caps stay low, building new units becomes less appealing. Rent control laws often exempt newer buildings, usually those built within the last 15 to 20 years. This exemption encourages developers to focus on new construction, knowing they can charge market rates initially. Once the rent control law applies, they can still profit from their investments. Investors might also shift their focus to other types of properties. They may choose commercial real estate or short-term rentals instead of traditional residential units. This is because these options often face fewer restrictions and can offer better returns. Another issue is that rent control can discourage landlords from making improvements. If they cannot raise rents to cover renovation costs, they might leave properties aging and in poorer condition. Over time, this can lead to a decline in the quality of rental housing. Overall, rent control can make it less attractive for investors to develop new rental properties. It reduces potential income, increases regulatory hurdles, and can slow down new construction. However, some laws include exemptions for new buildings, which helps keep new rental housing coming. Balancing tenant protections with incentives for investment is a challenge many cities face when designing rent control policies.